Hi friends, I will explain the construction of the application which I used in the video about irrationality in this video. In that video, I measured a line segment by using a dynamic ruler, as you remember. I also described how a segment is divided into equal parts by using a synthetic geometric method. This time I will use an analytical approach which is more suitable to generalize. Let's start. We will have a segment first, and we need to divide this segment into equal parts, and let me produce a slider which represent the number of the partition equal parts. The minimum value will be 2 because you may divide a segment into 2 minimum, and the maximum, let's maximum be 50, and this number should be whole number. Because of that reason, let's set the increment as 1. Okay. Let's this number will control the number of the equal parts. Now let's make our analytical preparation, mathematical preparation. We need to think as analytically. As you remember, here is the x component of the point A, and it is written in GeoGebra like this, and here is x component of the B, and here y component of the A, and here is y component of B. If we can write an equation, a relation between xa and xb, which is dividing into equal parts, here we can apply that method into again y components, and we can connect these two equations in an ordered pair. And how can we write this relation? We need to make a point here, and a point here, and a point here, blah blah blah, to divide into n equal parts. Let's say this point as the ith point. This is the first point dividing the segment between xa and xb into a equal part. The first point will be xa plus xb minus xe, the difference between xb and xa, over a, times 1 will be the first point times 2 will be the second point, times I will be the ith point, and this is the important result. I will apply it similarly into y components. So let me write into input bar. An ordered pair whose first component is xa plus I times xb minus xa over a. A represent the number of the partition. Don't forget, this is this slider, this parameter, comma, second component. For the second component, I will copy complete the first component and paste here again, then rewrite all x's as y. Okay, don't press the enter at that time because we are not ready completely. This will be a general term of the sequence dividing the segment into a equal parts. I need to write a sequence command, and my in this index letter is I, and I will be changed between 2 and A. Okay, I am ready to press the enter. Now let me hide my handwritings. And you can easily see that something went wrong. Let me fix the sequence command. Oh, not starting from 2, starting from 1. The first point has been forgotten. Okay, I make the fix the command. So you can check by dragging the point A and B. This method works for every situation, for every case, and by using this slider you can divide A equal parts the segment AB. This method will be so useful for diversity of application, dynamic application, which one of them was measuring application. You can think as a dynamic ruler also. Okay, thank you so much. I hope this instruction will be useful